Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we are going to start with the last sum of this chapter. Following that is sum number 14. Following information has been provided by Vivekanand Charitable Hospital, Latur. We are required to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. Now opening balance sheet is given to you. Capital fund 11 lakhs, bank loan 6 lakh 50,000, outstanding bill for drugs 50,000, building 10 lakh 50,000, ambulance 4 lakhs, stock of drugs 42,000, hospital equipments 3 lakh 4,000, cash in hand 4,000. Receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2019. Receipts to balance brought down 4,000, subscriptions 2 lakh 22,000, life membership fees 30,000, to hospital receipts 5 lakh 10,400. Payment side by purchase of drugs 2 lakhs, includes 4,000 for the year 17-18. By salary to staff 85,000, to honorarium to doctors 4 lakhs, to repairs and maintenance 18,000. By furniture 45,000. By general expenses 16,000. By balance carried down 2,400. Okay, now see, adjustments are given. Number 1, on 31st March 2019, the stock of drug was valued at 22. This is the closing stock of the stock of drugs. Depreciation on building at the rate of 5% and on ambulance rupees 30,000. Life membership fees are to be capitalized. Okay, now you are required to prepare income and expenditure account of Vivekanand Charitable Trust. So in the books of Vivekanand Charitable Hospital, income and expenditure account, expenditure rupees, income rupees. Now we will see the expenditure side. To salaries to staff 85,000, to honorary to doctors 4 lakhs, to repairs and maintenance 18,000, to general expenses 16,000. Now to drugs consumed, I have written 1 lakh 80. How this has arrived? See, stock of drugs. Okay, the opening stock as per your opening balance sheet was opening stock as per your opening balance sheet was 42,000. Now you have made purchases during the years of rupees 2 lakhs, but out of that 40,000 were of the last year, so you will minus that 40,000. So this for this year purchases are how much? 1,60,000. Now closing stock of drugs is given to you as 22,000. Okay, in the adjustment. So debit side plus this, both you'll get the total 2,02,000 minus 22,000, you'll get the drugs consumed. Means in the whole year the hospital has consumed for various patients, drugs consumed are 1,80,000. Is it clear? Now to depreciation on building. Okay, they have told at the rate of 10%. Sorry, building at the rate of 5%. So 5% comes to 52,500. Ambulance rupees 30,000. Total depreciation is 82,500. Okay, is it understood? Building is at the rate of 5% on 10 lakhs 50,000. Now see, subscription for this year are 2,22,000. Hospital receipts are 5,10,400. If you total up this side, this side is more. It comes to 7,81,500. Whereas this is short than this. Okay, by how much? 49,100. How I arrived? I have calculated this total, then deducted this total. So I have arrived at, there is a deficit. That means expenditure is more than the income. How much is the deficit? 49,100. Now we'll move on to our balance sheet. See, balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Okay. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Capital fund in the opening balance sheet, it is given to you as 11,000. Less deficit, how much? 49,100. So the remaining will be how much? 10,50,900. Bank loan, okay, it is 6,50,000. Now they have told us to capitalize the life membership fee, so we have written it on the liability side. Okay, 30,000. Now outstanding bills for drugs. See, in the opening balance sheet, the outstanding bills for drugs was 50,000. Out of that, this year we have purchased for rupees 2 lakhs. Out of that, 40,000 are for last year. So that means minus this 40. So how much is outstanding bills for drugs still? 10,000. Okay. Then see, asset side building amounts to rupees 10,50,000. At the rate of 5%, it will come to 52,500. The closing balance will be 9,97,500. Now see, ambulance 4 lakhs. Less depreciation, the amount is given to you as 30,000. The remaining will be 3,70,000. Then stock of drugs. See, the closing stock of drugs is 22,000 here. So we are going to write this only same as the closing stock of drug, 22,000. Hospital equipments valued at rupees 3,04,000. Cash in hand 2,400. This is the closing cash. Okay. And furniture 45,000. Now we will add up this asset side. It will come to 17,40,900. If you total up the liability side, it will also come to 17,40,900. Here we have completed the chapter accounts of not-for-profit concern. Okay, this was the last. I hope you have understood the chapter well.